All right, hello. Let us look at factorials. So this does not mean excited math, even though it just gets me excited just by looking at it, but it does mean 3 factorial, which means 3 times 2 times 1. So it means that you're multiplying everything down from that number. So this answer obviously would be 6. Now, for this one here, now, when you're writing it, I hope, or even as you're watching me, I hope you were thinking, seriously, why are you writing all of these when all of those are just going to eliminate each of those? So another way to look at this is to say, I want to go 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial because all of 7 factorial is going to disappear. So this one here would just then be these 3 numbers multiplied together, which would be 720 as our answer. So let's go ahead and look at this guy here. So we have 10 girls running in the race, and we only have 3 places, first, second, and third place. So there are 10 different people that could cross the finish line first, but once one does, there's only 9 left, and then only 8 left. So we multiply all those together, and we get 720. Now, that was the same as I got here, and looking at it, what I really want is only to multiply these 3. So what I really want to have disappear is all of my 7 and on. So the way to write this as a factorial is to get rid of 7 and on by dividing it out. For B, just slightly different because it says you still have first, second, and third, but this time we have 3 best runners, and I know that first place is going to be one of those 3. And I know that second place is going to be one of those 3, and I know that third place is going to be one of those 3. So I simply multiply them all together, and then this one is 3 factorial, and I don't need to get rid of anything. I want to keep all of them. Let's look at 13. 13, we have time to watch 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we can watch any of the 10, but then once I watch one, then we 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, which means in terms of factorial land, I don't want all of the 10s, I want 3 and on to disappear. So that would be my factorial, and that number is quite large. All right, let's look at the last one on this page. We have a 5-digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first digit is 8. Now, if you want to write an 8 down there, that's fine, but it's not 8 options. It's only 1 option. The third digit is a 4. The second digit is a 2. So I only have 1 option, 1 option, 1 option. And then it says without repetition, so nothing can be repeated. And then it says the remaining 2 digits are odd. Well, I've only used up even numbers so far, so I need to figure out of 0 through 9 how many are odd, and half of them are, and I had 10 to begin with. So I have 5 odd ones, and then I only have 4 left. So this one is 5 factorial over 3 factorial, because I want to get rid of the rest of them. And it's also simply equal to 5 times 4, which is our 8.